Hey, so what's up guys? Brett here from FBA Excel. Wanted to record a quick video on some exciting new updates we've got on our Chrome extension. If you're not familiar with our Chrome extension, it pretty much is a companion tool to the FBA Excel suite of Google Sheets-based tools, and it really helps out with downloading and uploading files to Seller Central, as well as just some kind of fancy things that you can do to kind of soup up some of the FBA Excel tools. So I'm going to show you a couple examples in this video. First off, if you haven't checked out Ad Tactics, we've got now over 600 monthly users. It's really growing quickly, and we're adding some really exciting new features every week. So definitely check it out and hop on board if you haven't yet. You can learn more about that at fbxl.io. One really slick feature that we've just added is a one-click export file. So you're basically able to, with Ad Tactics, kind of manage all of your bids all in one helpful dashboard. Each row in this dashboard is a separate rule, so you can have as many customized rules with customized thresholds that you want. There's a lot of just templated bid formulas and adjustments that you can make. So really, as far as customization is concerned, you can do anything you want. And then once you have this established, it becomes as easy as importing a new bulk file anytime you want to run that data through Ad Tactics, and then you spit out a revised file that you just upload back to Amazon. And before, all we had were individual export buttons that you could click and export each one individually, but now we've got this kind of new combo file where you can have all of the data all in one Excel file that you upload right back to the bulk operations platform. So if you're not familiar, this is how you can download all your data and upload it back once you've optimized your bids. And what's nice about our new Chrome extension is we've got a bulk downloader now, so you can basically automate this kind of UI, and you can say, okay, every Monday, let's say I want to have a download of my bulk file parameters. So you could say, whatever, normal, and then every day at a certain time. So maybe you want to do it early in the morning so it's always ready for you. When you're ready, you can plug in your marketplace URL, and that just comes from the bulk ops screen. You can pick the day, the date range. So if you want to always have a 30 days worth of data, that's what you would choose. And it's going to be, obviously, as the download happens each day, it's going to be the kind of rolling 30-day range. And then here you can pick the data that you want. So I'm usually picking, all of this. Because it now does all work with Ad Tactics. I usually don't pick this option, that slows things down, and then both of these. And then you can say, if you want it every day, that's fine. If you just want it certain days, you can do that as well. You're just going to save that task, and now the download is going to happen automatically, and it'll just store in your downloads folder. We've got some automations as well if you want to route those to certain folders. So pretty slick there. The other tool that I really like, and it's super powerful, is going to be the uploader. So this allows you to do customized Dayparting. You can upload your revised bulk files. You can upload new campaign files. You can upload bulk negative files. So a lot of functionality and flexibility with this. It functions very similar. You're just going to plug in the details, and you can kind of see I've got a generic template here of kind of 3 tasks. You could have very easily a lot more, but say you check out your data and you're realizing you're converting better at certain times of the day, you can set a peak hours file up within Ad Tactics and kind of customize that. Maybe you run some top of search targeted ranking campaigns when everybody else's budget's lower. You can basically set up those files and then alternate across those different files throughout the day and throughout the week at different times. So it really, allows you full flexibility and customization on kind of your bidding strategy and your overall ad strategy. So if you want to learn more about the Chrome extension, head over to fbxl.io and just scroll down to the FBA Excel Chrome extension section. You can watch a demo. You can also check out some of our other features of Ad Tactics specifically. And invite you guys to try it out. See you on the next one.